Pramipexole Er is a medication used to treat Parkinson's disease. It can help improve your ability to move, reduce shakiness, stiffness, slowed movement, and unsteadiness. It may also decrease the number of episodes of not being able to move, known as on-off syndrome. Pramipexole Er is a dopamine agonist that works by helping to restore the balance of a certain natural substance, dopamine, in the brain. It is important to take this medication as prescribed by your doctor, typically starting with a low dose and gradually increasing. The optimal timing for taking Pramipexole Er may vary, so it's best to follow your doctor's advice on when to take it. Before starting Pramipexole Er, make sure to read the patient information leaflet from your pharmacist. Take the medication by mouth, usually once daily, with or without food as directed by your doctor. Your doctor may start you on a low dose and gradually increase it to reduce the risk of side effects. The dosage is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. Take it at the same time each day to get the most benefit from it. Do not increase your dose or take it more often than directed. Do not stop taking this medication without consulting your doctor, as it may cause withdrawal symptoms. If you temporarily stop taking this medication, you may need to start again at a low dose and gradually increase it. It may take a few weeks for the effects of this medication to be noticed, so make sure to inform your doctor if your condition does not get better or if it gets worse. Some common side effects of Pramipexole Er may include nausea, vomiting, dizziness, drowsiness, trouble sleeping, constipation, headache, cough, or dry mouth. To reduce the risk of dizziness and lightheadedness, make sure to get up slowly when rising from a sitting or lying position. If you notice a swollen tablet or pieces of a tablet in your stool, be sure to inform your doctor. Remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Some serious side effects may include mental/mood changes, unusual strong urges, muscle cramp/spasm, unusual posture changes, or swelling of the ankles/feet. Get medical help right away if you experience chest pain, trouble breathing, muscle pain/weakness, signs of kidney problems, or vision changes. Some people taking pramipexole have fallen asleep suddenly during their usual daily activities. If you experience increased sleepiness or fall asleep during the day, do not drive or take part in other possibly dangerous activities until you have discussed this effect with your doctor. Be aware that the use of alcohol or other medications that can make you drowsy may increase your risk of this sleep effect. If you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help right away. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. If you experience any side effects, be sure to discuss them with your doctor. Before starting Pramipexole Er, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies or if you have a history of low blood pressure, heart problems, kidney problems, mental/mood disorders, or sleep disorders. It's also important to inform your doctor about all the medications and herbal products you are currently using, as well as if you are planning to have surgery. For older adults, there may be an increased risk of dizziness and hallucinations while using this medication. It's also important to note that Pramipexole Er may cause dizziness or drowsiness, and this effect may be increased when alcohol or marijuana is consumed. It's important to avoid activities that require alertness until you know how this medication affects you and to avoid alcoholic beverages. It's also important to talk to your doctor if you are using marijuana. If you are pregnant, it's important to discuss the risks and benefits of using Pramipexole Er with your doctor before starting this medication. This medication may also pass into breast milk and could have undesirable effects on a nursing infant, so it's important to consult your doctor before breastfeeding while using this drug. When taking Pramipexole Er, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. Some medications may change how Pramipexole Er works or increase the risk of serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. This includes prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products. Be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are taking any other products that cause drowsiness, such as alcohol, marijuana, antihistamines, drugs for sleep or anxiety, muscle relaxants, and opioid pain relievers. It's also important to check the labels on all your medicines, including allergy or cough and cold products, as they may contain ingredients that cause drowsiness. If you have any concerns about potential interactions, be sure to speak with your pharmacist about using these products safely. If someone has taken too much Pramipexole Er and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. If you're in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. It's crucial to act quickly in these situations to ensure the person gets the necessary help. This medication should not be shared with others. If you forget to take your dose and it's been less than 12 hours since your usual time, take it as soon as you remember. But if it's been more than 12 hours, just skip the missed dose and take your next dose at the usual time. Don't take double the dose to make up for the missed one. It is important to store Pramipexole Er at room temperature, away from light and moisture, and to keep it out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush this medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. When the medication is expired or no longer needed, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper disposal. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.